Hi, I'm Millie from Millie Rose Boutique, and I studied the National Certificate in Baking back in 2012. Well, I had a passion for baking, and for me it was a sort of step after leaving high school. I sort of left high school a bit early and the program was available, and it was available for young students as well, so I jumped on that opportunity. And I wanted to study locally because my family are here and it was just a great opportunity. I could walk to ARA from home, and being a young student, it was ideal for me. Because I was only 16 at the time, it was really good for me to get social and get to know adults in the industry and, you know, feel like a bit of an adult myself back then. Straight out of studying, I went and worked as a patisserie, so I did all of the icing and fillings, and then actually I moved on from doing anything to do with baking for about 5 years and worked in interior design and fashion. So it doesn't matter what you really study, sometimes you move on from that and then you come back to it, which is what I did. Millie Rose Boutique started from me wanting somewhere where I wanted to get up every day and start work and enjoy my job and work for myself. I have a lot of drive and a lot of passion for what I love. Fashion, supporting local economy, which is the local gifts, locally made products, and of course bringing my cupcakes into it as well, which I've been doing since I was about 15. Brings people from all over Timaru to line up for the Friday special. You never know what it's going to be until 9 AM Friday, so it's pretty exciting. We're kind of a shop that's quite unique in that way. You come in, look at the clothing, the giftware, and there's also cupcakes. We were in the Business Excellence Awards. We were finalists for Emerging Business this year, and we actually were last year as well, which was really exciting. For the People's Choice last year and this year we came second place. I think, you know, if you've got a passion for something, just do it, because it pushed me in the right direction. Being 16 and not knowing what I was going to do, I kind of just walked into the Polytech. They showed me all of my options, and then I realised that there was the National Certificate in Baking, even if it is just for a year and you just try it out to see if you like it. I went on and did many other things before I went back to it, but I got the qualifications, which is what matters.